Hi everyone, welcome to Teacher Jelvie's Teacher's Kit. So I'm back again with another video tutorial, but this time we will be exploring the 3 new features of Canva, which is character builder, tables, and QR code. So first things first, we need to go to our Canva account. So there are 2 ways on how you do this. You can just easily type Canva on the Google search box, or in my case, dahil kabisado na ata ng computer ko si Canva, I can just simply type it here. Just type Canva, it will appear there, and then enter. So for those who are asking, I am using a Canva premium account. So a Canva premium account comes with a lot of benefits. At ilan doon ay mas marami kang elements. So there are more pictures na walang watermark ni Canva. So you can just use it. And then it also offers a lot of animations, a lot of fonts. So mas marami kang fonts na pwedeng gamitin if you are using the Canva premium account. And one thing that I really like about the premium account is that you can even change the background of the photo that you are editing. So using Canva, you can edit your photos and then change the color of the background of your photo, or you can even save it as a transparent photo. So gone were the days kung saan magsa-search pa tayo ng photo with transparent background, diba? I'm sure may mga nakaka-relate sa akin dyan. Okay, so let's start with the new features of Canva. So first thing, we're going to go to Create a Design. As you can see, under Create a Design, there are really a lot of options. You can make an education presentation, you can make a video, infographic, worksheets, lesson plans, and even resumes. Canva do have templates for that. Or you can make your own. Or you can even make a customized size of the canvas that you wanted to design. So it really depends on you. But since our goal is to explore its new features, maybe I'm good with the education presentation. So the education presentation is like the size of your PowerPoint. So mostly whose goal is to make a presentation or to make a PowerPoint presentation on Canva, usually yun lang din yung pinipili nila. So yes, so it's like the size of a PowerPoint. So this is our canvas. So the first thing that we're going to explore is the character builder. So ano nga ba si character builder? So character builder is very commendable, most especially to those who are making illustrations and who's using Canva to make illustrations for stories, lalo na sa mga bata. So what does a Canva character builder look like? So on the very left part of your dashboard, you have to scroll down. If you haven't used it yet, please click more, and then you would see this icon. This is the character builder icon. But if you use it already, kung nagamit mo na yan, most likely, the character builder icon would fall on the very left side of your dashboard. So no need to click for more. Okay? So once you found this icon, you just have to click on it. And then, it will bring you here. So here, you have an option to make or customize your character's hair or head, what the head would look like, what would be the facial expression of the character, and the body movement of your character. So let's go through it one by one. Let's start with the head. So we need to click See All, and then it would show you all the options dito sa my head. So here, when you are making your character, you can go from straight to curly, to even boycott. Pwede niyang ibigay yan sa'yo. So, it really has a lot of option. It really depends on the character that you're making. But for my example, maybe I'll stick with this one, with the curly hair. Ayan. So, once you've already done with the hair, you can just click back. And then, you can now proceed with the face. What facial expression is your character has, or ano bang gusto mong facial expression ng iyong character. So to see more of the options, you just have to click See All, and then you would see that there are really a lot of facial expressions. So meron dyang angry, merong happy, merong surprise, merong sad. So it depends on what expression would the character would best fit, or ano ba yung gusto mong emotion ng iyong character, or for that certain scenario, ano ba yung expression ng character na to. So you just have to click on which expression do you want to appear, and then it will appear on your canvas, and then once you're done, you just have to click back. And for the last one is the body. So you can choose whatever body type your character has. So gusto mo ba na yung character mo ay naka-dress, naka-jumper, or with a shirt and shorts? So is your character walking, running, sitting, or maybe it's dancing? So you can just customize it depending on the scene or depending on what you want it to look like. So this is really recommended for those who are working on storybooks. I believe this is a very good feature of Canva na pwede ninyong gamitin. Okay, so once you're done, since I've chosen mine, you can just click back. And then this is what my character would look like. But there is also other options. Let's say, for example, you wanted to change the skin tone of the character. You can just easily do that by going here. So sa baba niyan, meron na siyang binigay dito na 5 different options for the skin tone. So you can go from light to dark. It really depends on you. But if you're not yet satisfied with the options that is given, you can just click add a new color, and then there are more options here. But if you're not yet satisfied, then click the plus sign once again, and then you can just easily drag the circle depending on the shade of skin tone that you wanted the character to have. So you see, it's very easy and it's very convenient for us. Aside from the skin tone, you can also change the hair color of your character. So if you're not yet satisfied with the options that is given here, because there are 5 options already, you can just click the plus sign again. More options will appear. But if you're not yet satisfied with that, then just click the plus sign and you can drag the hair color that you wanted your character to have. But I think I'm good with the black one, so I'll choose that one. Okay, so once you're satisfied with with your character and you don't want to change anything, you just have to click the check mark here, done. And then your character will be on your canvas. It will look like the picture na parang mga elements na dinidikit natin dito sa Canva. So you can just easily make it bigger, you can make it smaller, or you can even save it as a picture. You can save it as a JNP, as a JPEG, or really depends on what you need. Okay, but in my case, I won't save it yet. I would just place it here. Now let's go to another feature of Canva. This one is the tables. So before, whenever we are making tables using Canva, it would be very difficult. Most of the time nga gagamit ako ng PowerPoint or the Microsoft Word to make the tables and then just upload it as a picture so that I can put it on my Canva presentation. But this time, it is a lot easier for us, because if you want to include tables on your Canva presentation, then you just have to go to Elements and then you just have to type table. Once you click enter, Canva will automatically give you one options on the type of table that you can use. So here are the options. So it's very easy and it's very convenient. So I think this is very useful for all of us. So maybe I'll be choosing this one. And once you click on it, then it will automatically go to your canvas. So the tables that is being offered by Canva is very easy to use. Once you click it, you can just adjust it. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. It really depends on you. And one thing that's good about it is that when you click these 3 dots on top, or the dots on the side, you can just easily delete the column. You can add before or after the column. You can move it to the right or to the left. It's very convenient and easy to customize. But what I really like about these tables is that if you want to add text to it, you don't have to go to text and then add a text. You just have to click once or twice on your mouse and then you can just type the words that you want to include on it. See, for example, this one. And once you're done typing, you can just change its font style. You can just easily change its font size. So that's very convenient for us. And another feature that I would like to share with you is the Canva QR code. Yes, people, you can now generate QR code using Canva. But for us to do that, first things first, why do we need QR code? Ano ba ang gamit ng QR code? So, QR code, people, is the one that you see on establishments, on malls. It's the one that you scan. Okay, so if you want to have something like that, then Canva can give it to you. Pwede niyang ibigay yan sa'yo. But first things first, if you want people to scan that QR code, then you probably have a goal in mind na saan ba pupunta yung mga tao? Bakit gusto mong ipascan yon? So, the first thing that I'd like you to do is first, if it's a website, so you want people to scan the QR code and go to your website, then beforehand, you should have your own website. If it's a Google form, so you want people that once that they scan it, they will go to that Google form. Then dapat, bago ka pa gumawa sa Canva, meron ka ng prepared na Google form. So in my case, I will generate a QR code that will lead people to a Google form. So beforehand, meron na akong ginawang Google form for them. So ito yon. Okay? Now, if we're going to generate a QR code, then on the very left side of your Canva dashboard, you just have to scroll down again. If you haven't used the QR code, then you have to click more to see this one. This is the icon for QR code. But if you use it already, automatic na sa very left side na yan ng dashboard mo. So you just have to click on it, no need to click for more. So once you click it, merong lalabas na ganito. So, sabi dyan, add a URL and we'll create a QR code for you to add to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So, that's why I keep on telling you people that before you generate your own QR code, if it is a website or a Google form, dapat meron ka na beforehand. Okay? So, in my case, since gusto ko mapunta yung mga tao sa Google form na to, I'll go to the Google form. I'll copy the link of that Google form, go back to my Canva design, and then I'm going to enter it here. So once you have your link, na copy and paste mo na siya dyan, that's the time that you can generate your own code. And this is now the QR code that people can scan so that they can go to the Google form that I was talking about. Or depends on you kung saan mo ba sila gusto mapunta. It could be a website, it could be a Google form, it could be your classroom. It really depends on you. So I guess people, that's it. So that's the new features of Canva. So this time using Canva, you can now create your own character. You can now make your own tables for presentations using Canva, and you can also generate your own QR code. So that's it for today. Goodbye!